Finally, the first teaser of the Infinix 40 series in Racing Edition was launched in partnership with BMW Group Designworks. Let's take a look. Now let's look at the introduction of the Infinix 40 Ultra. The Infinix Note 40 series includes 5 smartphones: Note 40 4G, Note 40 5G, Note 40 Pro 4G, Note 40 Pro 5G, and Note 40 Pro Plus. Each of these models comes in various colors. Additionally, Infinix has announced a special racing edition created in collaboration with BMW Group Designworks. Infinix describes the Note 40 series racing edition as designed for young tech enthusiasts. They say it captures the essence of speed and legend with its distinctive back panel and customized user interface. Infinix partnered with BMW Group Designworks for the color, material, and finish (CMF) design of the Note 40 series Racing Edition smartphone's back covers. These back covers feature a Wings of Speed design created with advanced UV transfer printing. The rear panels also showcase BMW's iconic tricolor racing symbols. Additionally, the Note 40 series Racing Edition includes exclusive wallpapers and a user interface inspired by the energy of a racetrack. The Infinix Note 40 series Racing Edition phones have the same hardware as the standard models, with the differences being purely cosmetic. The Racing Edition of the Note 40 4G, Note 40 5G, Note 40 Pro 4G, Note 40 Pro 5G, and Note 40 Pro Plus are priced starting at $209, $259, $279, $309, and $329, respectively. These models will be available globally, but prices may vary by region. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.